In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix AMD Adrenalin not opening. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few different fixes for this, but I'm going to start with the most common fix first. Now, that is to restart AMD services. So sometimes the app is running, but just stuck. So what we want to do is click on your keyboard, Control, Shift, and Escape. Then from here, we want to go ahead and find these tasks. So just search by name. So it's either going to be AMD software or Radeon software. Now end those. So to do that, just go ahead, right click it and click on end task. Then after that, once you've done that, we want to go ahead and click on your Windows key and R at the same time, and a run prompt should appear like so. Then from here, we want to go ahead and type in services.msc and click OK. And now services should appear like so. Now inside of here, we want to go ahead and restart two. So the two AMD external events utility and AMD crash defender service, and then try opening up AMD Adrenalin again. So to restart, just go ahead, right click it and then click on should say restart. There it is there. Now the next fix is to go ahead and run as administrator. So this is simple but super effective. So right click on AMD Software Adrenalin Edition and then click run as administrator. Now the third fix, this is very important. So outdated Windows equals a broken Adrenalin. So what we need to do is click on search, type in settings, get in the settings. Now from here, click on your Windows update. It'll be the bottom left hand tab. To the right, go ahead and click on check for updates. If there are updates, go ahead and run them.